It's time, Leo. We are back. Hello and welcome to this new video. It's been a while. I blame one thing and one thing only, and that is this creature. It's been so nice to have him, and everything is going overwhelmingly well. He's grown a lot. He's not the cute little fluff ball anymore. Well, he's still a fluff ball, but he's just way bigger. Look at him. He's humongous. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Pew! For his sleep time, I always try to keep him in there for 1.5 to 2 hours, because I usually notice that he needs a bit of time to get to sleep, and sleeps for an hour, maybe a bit more, and then afterwards he gets awake. But now it's time for work. A quick 1.5 2 hour work session, and then I'm ready to take care of him again. See you in that time. Hello. How was sleepy time? Come on. Come on. Hello. Leo, helemaal. Leo, nee. Come here. Come. You might recognize this shot. We've been here before in a previous video. This is one of our favorite places to be with the camper, because it's one of the only places in the Netherlands that has a free and legal camper place. And summer is almost starting in the Netherlands. It's been really shitty here, but we're close and we're gonna enjoy it. Let's go. So it's been a change being back in the Netherlands. Because we don't really move around anymore. It's a bit weird to be back in our usual social state again. And of course, with a dog, everything is different now.
Yeah, come. Oh,
you could do it, Leo.
You can do
You
it.
can do it, Leo.
Through the middle. Ja, nog een keer.
En...
Ja, nee.
We're in.
A puppy eats a lot. Look at how big he already turned. It's because he eats so much a day. So we needed to order new food again. Hoopla. This is his fresh meat. Oh yes, and this is your licks, Leo. I wanted to buy yogurt for him that we can put on this and put it in the freezer, and then you can lick it, and licking is supposed to be calming for the dog. And now it's time for the real food. It's 15 kilos kibble. It's your kibble!
So, we are at my dad's workplace where we built the whole van again. Because this summer we wanted to do some upgrades that we noticed we wanted to change during our trip. And one of the first changes we're gonna make is we're gonna get the sunscreen off. The biggest problem with the thing is that because the van is so high, the sunscreen is also really high. And because it's only like 1.5 meters deep, it doesn't give any shadow at all. So it's a waste of space.
Let's get rid of it.
Figured out that this thing has to come off now, and now close me up. You have 2 bolts, one here and one on the top side, and then if we make them loose, then this thing will come off. I mean, if you do the same on the other side, then that thing will come off. Now hopefully the thing just comes off. Wij rijden ook altijd mee.
Jij ook. We're gonna install this in the side of our van, to be precisely in Leo's crate, because this summer it's getting even more hot, so we want to give him some ventilation as well. But what we do have is a switch with 2 options, and we have some resistance to make the 12 volt the voltage go from 12 to 6, and hopefully this will manually create 2 different kinds of wind ventilation. Leo! Oh! No!
We're a family of 3 now. Hapsa! A very good morning, or good evening, or good night, whenever you're watching this. Today! It's upgrade day.
The solar panels. So we're gonna go from 4 to 6 solar panels.
That's the thing of today. Then later on we're gonna do some other stuff, but Jeroen in the future will explain that later. And today we're gonna solely focus on the solar panels. 2 extras. First, unboxing.
Jeroen made a lot of progress on Leo's crate, and last night I think Leo slept wonderful in it. He really enjoyed the additional space that he had. Good morning, I'm here with Leo and Jeroen is doing groceries. We don't have our home at the moment because it is in the garage for a repair. There are several things we want to change. For example, the tire gets deflating slowly, so hopefully they have a fix for that. And it is just needed for the yearly checkup to see if everything is okay with the van. Zo dan. I'm currently looking at a Jeroen calmly chasing Leo. He did not escape. Jeroen thought, well, this area is kind of closed off. We can remove the line from him. And it went okay for a bit, but then he thought, hey, stairs! I can do this. I can climb those stairs, because we've been practicing a bit. Not a great idea.
In goede zin ergens bij zit. Okay.
Oh.
I was editing this video of our summertime. Yeah, okay, this is gone. Well, thank you guys for watching. This was our little summer compilation. We also did a lot of fun things with friends, but it's also a bit harder to grab your camera whilst with friends because it's just a bit harder. I also filmed the introduction, which was a ton of fun.
During the orientation week I was babysitting Leo for a full week, so that was also me and Leo bonding on a next level, you can say.
Also, there was a puppy day. We had a reunion with Leo and his family, which was amazing. It was a ton of fun to see him play with his little sister, with his mother. We visited a dog playground and all except one, so 8 brothers and sisters of Leo were there. So that, well, was a fantastic chaos.
Yes.
Fantastic.
But it was really fun to see them together.
Loads of gratitude for this summer. It was a ton of fun. Now we're back into it. The next video is gonna be Vierdaagse video. Gets a separate video and see you guys in that.
It's an adventure on its own.
the 11th time for me.
And the 3rd time for me already.
Yes. So it's becoming a tradition, and we hope to see you guys there.